Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I come to you with this look plus some swatches. I recently purchased some makeup addiction pigments and glitters, so this is what this video is about. So without any further ado, I am about to go into the video. This is a swatches video and a mini eye tutorial as well, using the makeup addiction pigments and glitters. So guys, stay tuned and make sure to give me a thumbs up and leave a comment down. So today's video is about makeup addiction pigments. I have ordered quite a few. It had a 70% off sale, so I bought 2 bundles. So here they are, and I'll be going through them with you. So I've got 2 bundles and they're normally £25 each. So they had a 70% off sale and I ended up paying £20 for both of them together. So I saved, how much? I saved £30 on that. So including postage and packaging. I would suggest not to pay during this pandemic, not to pay for next day delivery, because that's what I did. I paid £2 extra for next day delivery. So including my postage and packaging and both the bundles, it was £20. So I saved on the on the pigments. I didn't save £30. I saved 30. How much? About £35-ish. I've saved. So yeah, they had a 70% off sale. I wouldn't suggest you paying extra for the 1-day delivery, because it still took 3 days for my package to get here because of the pandemic. So on a normal time, maybe pay for 24-hour delivery, but not during this pandemic. So anyway, I will go through them. So I bought, you go on their website. So with both the bundles, I got 3 pigments and 1 glitter. I got the jewel tone set and the Pink Me Up set. So I will go through the Pink Me Up set. Pink Me Up set, you get Valentine, which is a soft peachy pink. You get Sweet Kiss, which is a vibrant iridescent violet. Golden Rose, which is a duochrome orangey peach with gold reflects. And Cinderella, which is a snow white with pink glitter, which Cinderella will be your glitter that you get in this package. In the next one, which is the jewel tone set, you get Peacock, which is a duochrome blue based green. And then you get Marble Lime, which is a lime green with gold reflects. And then Skylight, which is a snow white with blue glitter reflex. That's your glitter in the set. And then Marble Smoke, which is a duochrome blue gold. So there you have it guys, those are the pigments. I'm going to quickly create some kind of look. Obviously I'm not going to use every single one of these pigments, but I'm going to come up with a look and try to incorporate these pigments. So I'm just going to put on the PLouise base before I start doing any kind of look. So I'll be right back. So now I've primed my eyes. I am going to use the Carnival palette today by BPerfect and Stacey Marie. Haven't used this in quite a while now, so I'm going to use that today. So I'm going to go in with Mood, which is this blue right here. I'm going to pack that onto the crease using the blank canvas E23 brush to put that into the crease. So now I'm going to go in with this lighter blue, and I'm going to put it halfway on to that blue and halfway on to my primer, so where there's no more blue left. Morphe M506 brush for that, and I'm going in with the shade Sky right here. So now I'm gonna get a clean brush, one that's like this. This is Morphe M514. So I will be using that to blend out the edges of the blue here. I'm going to be using a really light hand to do that. And in circular motions around the edge, just to blow it out a tiny bit more. Not too much, because I usually take it all the way up. Today I'm not taking it all the way up. Just gonna go around in circular motions. I'm now gonna go back into the darker blue, which is Mood, and pack that on again. And I'm gonna go in with the sky blue again. Tap off all the excess this time and just lightly graze it around darker blue. Blend all of that out again. I'm going to cut the crease. First I'm going to clean it up using the micellar water. So I've cleaned up with micellar water, and I'm going to go in with the blank canvas paint by PLouise, and I'll be using my Anastasia brush number 18 for that. And I'm just going to do the edges first, because I will go in with it again. Now going to go in with the glitter Skyliner, Skylight by Makeup Addiction, of course. I'm going to put that onto the line that I've just cut on. So just the outline of the cut crease. I'll be picking it up on another Anastasia brush, number 18. So I'm just keeping it on the outskirt of it, and I'm going thinner as I go more in. So it's thicker here and thinner here. Now I'm going to go in with the dark blue again and just shape the outside part a bit more. And cut it. I'm going to add a bit more of the glitter around the end. Okay, so now for the rest of the lid, I'll be going in with marbled line. This is a goldy green. I'm going to go in with a thin brush and do the edges, and then I'm going to pack it on the lid. You can see they are pigments. I do have a lot of fallout, so I'm just going to clean all of that out. I'm going to go off camera now, do the rest of my face, then I'll do my under eyes with you guys. So I've left my highlighter to do. I'm going to do my highlighter on camera. I'm going in with Cinderella in the Stacey Mary palette, another M506 brush. So now I'm going to go in with the lower lash line, and I'm using the same brush that I used on the top. I've already tightlined. I've used the Lancome, the Crayon Noir like I usually do. This Bourjois brush that I got a long time ago with makeup that I bought. So I'm going to put that. This is Mood, the darker blue. This brush that I used to blend out earlier. I'm not picking up any colour, I'm just blending everything in together. So now I'm going to go off camera do my lashes, and I will be back to you guys. Yeah, this is the finished look, guys. If you guys like this, make sure to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more future. So my thoughts on the pigments is A+. Yeah, I give it a 8 out of 10. Actually a 9 out of 10. Actually a 10 out of 10 because there's no faults in it really. So I absolutely love these pigments and glitters. I will leave a link down below where you can purchase the Makeup Addiction Cosmetics. I know they regularly have sales, so make sure to follow them on their Instagram or sign up because they always send emails out. They regularly have discounts going on. That's it, guys. Thank you very much for watching.